So last night we did a 2-hour live where we attempted to put these glow-in-the-dark beads into a bloom. You chose the colours. Let's see if they worked out. Within the next few minutes, we're gonna know. So here we go, and it's cured beautifully. We've got a few interesting effects there, like little craters, and I think that was the backing that we chose. But if these haven't worked out, I get to blame you, because you, as the audience, chose the colours. And it was a very impromptu 2-hour live where we looked through half of my resin pieces around the living room. It took me an hour to sort them back out afterwards. So I'm just really hoping that these have worked out. So it's a quick short, just with the reveal. Within the next few minutes, we're going to know if it's worked or not. But do me a favour, like and subscribe to the channel. Costs you nothing, but it helps us grow so much. And if you want to support the channel even more, then please consider joining membership, which gives you early access to every video I do, and also entry into that prize draw each and every month where you can win a piece of my art. So yeah, Cherie Shaw actually was on the premiere that I did last night and convinced me to do this 2-hour live. So we're going to go with this one first, I think. Here we go. So it's come out of the mold okay, which is a good start. Wow, that's different. I can see the bloom effect in there. I'm still not sure on that green. Let me know what you think. The purple's come out really cool, and the pink, but I'm not sure about that green. And we're going to see if these have actually worked in the effect that I want in a minute. So that's one. Let's do the other one. And again, that's come out beautifully. And you can still see the bloom behind those beads, just about. And it's because I did it in those 2 layers. So we're going to see now if it's worked or not. And I can just see the backing, and I actually really like the back through it. But are you ready? That is the question. I'm going to make it a little bit dark, and we're going to see if these have actually worked and if they glow in the dark after we've made them. So let's go for it. And here we go. And it's looking promising. So the idea is I can charge these in the sun all day and you should still see that bloom like we've just done. But at night, look at this. We can have our own glowing blooms, and you can just still see the blooms behind them. So I don't know. What do you think? Has it been a success or not? Look at it. That is the effect that I wanted to see, and I love that. You can still see the bloom behind it as well, and this is just charging it up with the UV light, but I'm loving it. Very, very cool effect. You can still see the bloom in there, just with these cool glowing beads on top. So I think it's been a success. So if you've not watched the live on how we made it, then go back, watch the live. It was fun. It was 2 hours long, and you as the audience picked the colours that we created. And I'm going to be playing a bit more with these glow-in-the-dark beads. I think they look really cool. So apart from that, hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the creation live, and I will see you all on the next video.